Good day everyone! Welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, me, Angelica Labini, together with my partner, Angel Prado, will show you a POS system that will help you for your business that more accessible and upgraded strategy for your business. So without further ado, let's go to our code.
POS system code, and let's focus only on the 9 most critical components. Number 1 is product class product bracket. Up to this dot price equals to price semicolon. Importance: represent each item in the menu. Encapsulate name and price, which are fundamentals for adding items to the cart, calculating totals, and generating receipts. Number 2, login form with password validation, pattern capital, pattern number, and pattern special. Importance: ensures that only authorized user can access the system. Password validation enforces security rules such as capital letters, numbers, and special characters. Tracks login attempts, terminating after 3 failures for security. Number 3, main menu. G button, main menu, G button, cart, G button, exit. Importance: serve as navigation hub of the POS, provide access to the menu, cart, or exit. User experience, simple and initiative for quick operation. Number 4, product loading. Avoid load products, and many more. So, and the importance was populate the POS with all items categorized by vegetables, fruit, pasta, protein meal, and add-ons. Critical because without it, there will be no items to sell. Make it easy to extend the menu by just adding the new product object. Number 5, display menu and category tables. G tab pane, new, G tab paint. Importance: organize products by category for user-friendly browsing. Create category table dynamically builds a table with product, price, and add to cart button. Makes the UI modular and scalable. Number 6, cart management. Cart that add open parenthesis new product and cart that remove open parenthesis row close parenthesis semicolon. Importance: allows adding and removing items from the cart. Updates total price dynamically, which is essential for the accurate checkout. Number 7 was the payment system. String methods equals to cash, GCash, or PayMaya. Importance: supports multiple payment methods such as cash and QR based. Dynamically shows QR codes for electronic payments. Ensures correct handling of cash, change calculation, and GCash payment. Number 8, receipt generation. GText area receipt equals to new GText area open and close parenthesis semicolon. Importance: provides a summary of the transaction, display items, total amount, payment method, and additional details cash or change, essential for record keeping and customer confirmation. Number 9, GUI components, G-frame, G-button, and G-table. Importance. G-frame is the main window containers. G-table was the display product and cart items in the tabular format, making it easier to read. G-button, actions like add to cart, remove item, check out, confirm payment.
So let's proceed to our demonstration of our output to make you more understandable about how POS system works. So yeah, first we will run it, and then next for the control 2. Okay, for this first part, it will show you in the screen the login form. So we will log in first. Okay, then the password. Just for a while. So this is having a 3 attempts, so be careful with your password. It should be correct. So here it is. After that, after successfully login, there is in the screen you can see a display menu, view cart, and exit. So here we starting to order display menu, and then here you can see our menu and the salad in our salad menus, which is the vegetable salad, fruit salad, pasta salad, and protein salad. Also, there is an add-ons whenever the user wants to add something in their food. Okay, so here let's try to order. We have cucumber, add selected to cart every time you want to add it in the cart or you want to order it. So yeah, here, and let's try also the other flavor, other type of salad. Let's go. Okay, after that, after selecting the foods in your cart and adding some add-ons, you can now check out. So here you can see the summary of your chosen orders. So here you can remove order if you change your mind, then back to menu if you want to order more. Okay, then here you can proceed to payment whenever you are ready to check out, you are ready to order, and proceed payment. Okay, so here when you click the payment, you can see the total amount together with the mode of payment. So we have here cash, GCash, and PayMaya. So we will choose the cash, okay, or maybe GCash. Okay, then confirm payment. Here it is. You can see now the summary of the receipt, summary of your food. So here's the receipt after you pay. So then there's also a thank you for ordering. Okay, then close after you order, and that's it. Thank you for watching.